Grable is getting his first meal today. Ah. What do you think, buddy? Yeah, I'm giving it a shot. It tastes like the good stuff.
There we go. Oh,
The feet say I like it. Yum. Say, it's a hit, Mommy.
Yay! Yay, I like it. I like it.
Get those happy feet.
Is that what he's saying, Mason? I like it.
And what's your advice for him, Mason? What are you telling him? Say, try it, you'll like it. That's what Mommy tells Mason, I think.
Sounds like fun. Try it, you'll like it.
All right, Grable, we're going to say bye-bye. You enjoy this meal.
Yum.
Daddy's little all-star.